What the? What? Guys, this is a is this a suite?
This is Sam's Town, Las Vegas. Yes, I'm back here again, but I'm gonna give you guys a room tour of their mini king suite with spa tub. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's check out this room tour.
Okay, what the? What? Guys, this is a is this a suite? I did not book a suite. Sam's Town just give me this room because I've been here and I've done videos for them? Holy crap. What the? Here I was just thinking I was just getting a basic 1 king or 2 queen room like I booked. And this is a suite. Okay, well, thank you, Sam's Town. And thank you, Boyd, as well. I'm not sure if you're part of this, but Sam's Town and Boyd, since you are one and the same, thank you for this room. Wow. Okay, enough of that. Let's give you guys the room tour. Door, mirror. Wow. Something else. Pretty damn cool. Holy crap, what? Okay, what the? What? Oh, this is weird. Oh, okay, that's the closet. Gotcha. This is a nice long table. Bathtub. The bathroom is in here. There you go. The nice shower. And then this way, okay, what? Look, there's me, it's a mirror. There's another mirror. This is weird. What the? Okay, check this out, guys. There is a swivel TV, so you can watch it in your bed or in the living room. What? See, it's facing the living room, which is all this. And then you could turn it. What? And now you got the TV by your bed. Got a nice bed too. Beds are pretty comfy. Last time I stayed here. This room is actually pretty unreal. Really interesting layout. Got a bunch of goodies over here. Okay. Coffee. Ice. What do we got down here? Storage. Oh, sweet. And a personal fridge with 4 complimentary waters already. This is pretty cool. Sitting area. Let's check out the view. So we're like right above the water. Still though, pretty cool view. This atrium here at Sam's Town is unlike anything I've ever seen before. This is pretty damn awesome. Another overview shot standing by the window. Nice table. Of course, you know, circular. Has your four chairs. But guys, this is a really, really cool room here at Sam's Town. So again, thank you so much, Sam's Town, for giving me this little surprise. I did not know this coming in. As you guys saw my shocked reaction, truly, truly shocked. Is this a suite?
So the next time you're staying here at Sam's Town, when you check in, please check with the front desk and see if you're eligible for a discount or an upgrade, because it can happen.
I had no clue. They put me in a suite for the same price. Wow. All I can say is thank you, Sam's Town, thank you, Boyd, and I love this place a lot, so it's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching this room tour. Have you stayed at Sam's Town before? In what room? And would you definitely stay in this suite if you were to come here? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and like we always say, until next time.